Page 24. Unit 5. In the country. A. Listen and read.
It's fall. Hannah and Grandpa walk to the pond. They watch birds and frogs. Animals drink from the pond. Winter is snowy and cold. Hannah and Grandpa take a walk. But there isn't a pond. Grandpa, where's the pond? It's under the snow, Hannah. The winter is very cold. The water is ice. But where are the birds? They swim in the pond. Where are the animals? Are they thirsty? Grandpa smiles. The birds fly away in winter. The animals are in their homes. Look, there's a squirrel's nest. But Grandpa, where are the frogs? They live in the water. The frogs are in the pond. They're under the ice. Frogs sleep in winter.